Want to know how you can maintain the air quality in your home this season? Here are 6 tips that can help you get the most out of your HVAC system this season. 1. Check the thermostat settings. We're feeling the temperature dip considerably during the evening and early morning. If you have a programmable thermostat, now is the time to check and reconfigure your settings. One of the best things about programming your thermostat to fit the season is that it saves your HVAC system from going into overdrive. 2. Change the air filter. One of the best things you can do for your HVAC system is to check and regularly replace your air filter. After a season of use, your air filter can be so full it can't do its job anymore. 3. Clean all vents and registers. One of the biggest mistakes we see homeowners make is blocking their vents with furniture, decor, or carpeting. There's an old rumor that closing the vents will save you money. On the contrary, closing or blocking your vents will eventually cost you more over the season. 4. Weather strip your windows. You can lose between 25 and 30% of your warm air through a drafty window, since HVAC makes up a considerable amount of your yearly energy use. This is a big deal. The best way to combat this is to weather strip your windows. 5. Clear things away from your condenser. We all know how the Santa Ana winds whip through Southern California. A great way to prepare your HVAC for fall is to check your outdoor condenser and clean away any debris like leaves or trash that may be collecting around it. Number 6. Schedule a tune-up. Finally, the most important fall maintenance you can do for your HVAC is to schedule a furnace tune-up. At Service Champions, we recommend a precision tune-up and professional cleaning twice a year, once before furnace season and once before AC season. This ensures your furnace is ready for the seasons ahead and fixes any small problems before they become huge hassles. Want to schedule a furnace tune-up? Click the link below.